Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about the long E sound that can be made with EA or EE. You are going to need your wipe-off board with your marker and something to wipe off with, or a piece of paper and a pencil. So please pause the video and get what you need now. All right. We are going to make another T chart. We've been making some T charts here lately. Remember that. That means that a line goes down the middle and a line goes across near the top to make two little sections to write in. Okay, so go ahead and make your T chart. And then we're going to put E, A on one side, and we're going to put E, E on the other side. Okay? All right, so at the top on the EA side, we're going to write an example of an EA word. If I say seat, seat, I sat in my seat, is spelled with EA for the E sound in eat. Okay? If I write seed, I planted a seed in my backyard. Seed. That has two E's in it to make the E sound. So we have two different examples here of how to make the E sound, the long E sound. If you need to pause the video and catch up writing what you see I've written here, please do. All right, so I'm going to give you some words, and I want you to see if you can figure out, do they go on the EA side? Is it EA that's making the E sound in the word? Or do you think that they go on the EE side? Is it EE that's making the E sound in the word? So I'll give you a word, and you can try it on both sides of the board to see which one looks correct to you. Okay, so your first word is need. I need to write down my words. Need. So pause the video and try it and see if you can figure out which side it goes on. All right, so if I try need over here, I need to write down my words. Does that look right, the E sound, EA in this word? Or need? Does it look right over here? A lot of what we do now is going to come from your memory. You've seen words a lot in print now because you've been in school for several years. So we're using some of that to help us with our memories to figure out which one is the correct way to spell need. It is this one. So we're going to erase that one, okay? I'm going to give you a new word. Remember that you can pause the video at any time that you need to catch up if you needed to erase a word, write a word map, okay? Now we're going to write the word neat. My teacher says that my desk should be nice and neat. Neat. Please pause the video and write neat. All right, so let's try neat on this side. Neat. And let's try it on this side. Neat. Which one looks correct to you? It is the EA version. So the EE is not correct, so we will take that one off. Okay? All right, remember, pause if you need to fix. Here's a new word. 3. I counted to 3 and then looked for my friend. 3. Please pause the video and decide which side 3 goes on. All right, let's try it both ways. 3. E. Which one looks better to you? EE is correct. EA, it's unusual for a word to end in EA. Okay, it's unusual. So this is probably more likely to be an ending in a word when you have E at the end. 3. So this is the correct spelling. So we'll take this one off. Okay. All right. We have one more word to work on for this project, and then we will try something a little bit different. So can you write the word mean? My friend was mean today. Mean. Pause the video and write mean. All right, let's try it with EA. Mean. And let's try it with EE. Mean. Okay. So, which one looks more familiar to you? The correct spelling is EA. So we'll take off the EE. Okay, so this is the correct placement for each of the words that we have talked about. If you need to pause the video and write them in for practice and to help you memorize them, you can. Please pause the video now and do that. Otherwise, you can erase. All right, and now we're going to do something a little bit different. Let's write the word eat. When I am hungry, I love to eat. Eat. Now we've talked about EE and we've talked about EA. So you need to again think which word, or I'm sorry, which 2 letters go into the word eat. Go ahead and write eat. All right. So eat is E-A-T. If we write E-E-T, we can see that that doesn't look like a word, right? So we'll take that off. All right? So this is the word eat. Now what I want you to do is put an M at the beginning. And if we know that this part says eat, now we blend the M at the beginning. What does it say? Meat. Meat, right? All right, now let's take off the T and put an N. And what does it say now? Mean. Mean, right? Okay, and we wrote that word before on our T-chart. Let's take off the M and replace it with a B and see if you can read the word. B-E-N. Bean, right? Like Jack had a beanstalk. All right. Well, we are finished playing with the long E sound. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye-bye.